Shoutout. guys, that is the end of this tutorial. Hope that you guys enjoyed this look. I had so much fun on this tutorial. It was not a joke. Like, seriously, I had never done a one-on-one class. I never done a virtual class, anything like that, to basically teach me anything, especially from a brand such as this. I've been following P.Louise for I don't know how long. I've been watching their tutorials. I've been wanting to do looks that are like theirs, very you know, complex, very much extensive. Okay, granted, I know how to do a cut crease, but I guess I need to take my time more, and just learning how to blend out the colors was mostly like my problem. Like I'm like a very fast, like I want to do it quick, I want to get out the way, and that's just like where I'm at. Just to learn their technique and how, you know, they really take their time. Like, I may have sped up the video, but the class was about 3 hours, so we did it from 12:30 to 3:30, so 12, 1, 2, 3, yeah, three hours, and it didn't feel like 3 hours. It literally felt like it was like an hour or so. But it was 3 hours, but it was worth every minute because they were so informative. They were so patient. Like, the girl who was doing the makeup, she actually, they said that she did their classes before, and now she's one of the top MUAs that are there. She's really good. She was fast, but she was slow at the same time, if that made sense. Like, she really, you know, man, she packed those colors on good. She only used 3 to like 6 brushes. She used the brush that came in the pack, but of course she had, you know, multiple brushes like this, so I had to keep cleaning my brushes. Like, you know, I have to keep cleaning them because they did mention, like, you know, you didn't want to, you know, have the same color on when you go on to the next color. So I definitely have to keep that in mind because I don't be caring. Like, I go on to the next color, but the fact that these colors came up this vibrant, I'm super excited about that. I don't know, it was fun, and it wasn't that many people on there, which was really good, because when it comes to like a bunch of people that are on there, like, you know, you don't feel comfortable enough to ask questions and things like that. But they did answer my questions. Some of my questions got skipped over because it was like people like asking questions right behind me, and they all kind of like were the same question, so I guess they like saying like, we're gonna answer one since they all say the same thing, like kind of pushing me to the limit because I'm not used to doing my makeup like that, or so slow, or so like intense like that. But it's a learning process, and I think I'm going to be using this technique pretty much. I feel like now that I learned it, I can't stop. So it turned out so pretty. Hashtag Worldie well, and hashtag P.Louise. I do enjoy looking on their Instagram. They're so nice, you guys. Like, I've never met a brand who actually talks and communicates with the people who actually follow them. And not only that, but they're really kind when it comes to emails and you know, getting back with people, especially in the DMs and stuff like that. So I really appreciate that. Without further ado, please feel free to hit that subscribe button before you guys leave. Don't forget to like and comment on this video, and like I always say, nevertheless, never stress, always blessed. Bye.